am Satosh Gadankar. Today I am teaching you design of measurement 2. In that one, the single plate clutch. This is a problem. Determine the power transmitted by a single pair plate clutch assuming uniform pressure distribution. The friction surface have an outside diameter of 350 mm and inner diameter of 280 mm. The coefficient of friction is 0.25 and maximum allowable pressure is 0.85 megapascal and is given in VTU August 2002. Here we are focusing on the data here. The data given is I. Here single pair plate clutch is given. Therefore you have to take I is equal to 1. If it is a single pair 2, if it is instead of single pair, if it is mentioned single pair 2 pair, then you have to take I is equal to 2 here. Single 2 pair, then you have to take I is equal to 2. The single pair contact. The uniform distribution pressure is D2 is equal to 350 mm. D2 and D1 is 280 mm. The coefficient of friction mu is given and allowable pressure is given here. What we have to find out? We have to find out the power transmitted. N. This is the formula required for finding the power. Here I we know, mu is known. The axial force we don't know. N we are assuming 1000 as a N, 1000 RPM. D1, D2 is known. KT service factor we are taking as 1. This is a formula for finding the axial force. Everything is known. P is known. Allowable pressure is known. D1 and D2 is known. Substitute in the formula, you will get answer. This is the answer which is obtained. 29440.6500 Newton is obtained. The speed we are assuming 1000 RPM. Substitute in this formula, you will get. This is the substitution we have done. Substitute in this formula. In terms of watt it is obtained. We can convert it to kilowatt. 1 to 1.9 kilowatt. I am Satosh Gadankar. Thank you very much.